afternoon. How are you today? It is a gorgeous afternoon today. I'm back in the Yorkshire Dales. I'm back home. So I've just come out for a little stroll this afternoon. It's a bit icy underfoot, so I'm just doing a local walk today. I'm just outside of Richmond, so this is a walk that I've done loads of times before, but this is a walk with a difference. For Christmas I got a drone. I know. I was very lucky. I got a drone for Christmas. So today I've come out and I'm going to find a spot where I can fly my drone. I thought I'd walk along the road because the fields are really icy, but I think everybody else has had the same idea. It's like really busy. Everyone's walking on the road today and it's still icy in patches, but I don't think it's quite as bad as the fields. So yeah, slow going today, slow going. I'm warming up a bit. Too many layers like usual. So I think I've had a change of plan. I was going to go over to Ullin's Leap, but it's a fair few people about. I think this is going to be like the last good day we're going to have for the next week or so. There's snow coming in tomorrow morning, and then it's going to rain all week, and it's a Saturday afternoon. So there's a few folks about, which means it's going to be fairly busy up at Ullin's Leap. So I was thinking, oh, I might change my route, go up to the beacon instead. There's a great view already from up here, looking down on Richmond there. Gorgeous, just lovely. It's a beautiful day today, it really is. Look at it, absolutely gorgeous. Look how icy the road is. I would not like to be driving along here today. Gorgeous, gorgeous out here. Right, so I'm just going to walk along the edge here. I think we'll try and avoid the ice as much as possible. There's the beacon. The footpath is on the other side of the field, so I'm going to follow the road down and go on the actual footpath rather than traipsing across the field. Try and be good. Trig point. Oh gosh. Oh, that was nice to walk up there. Look at the view there. Fabulous. So I was just going to get my breath. Beautiful up here. This is gorgeous. There's Richmond there. It's not bad, is it? You can see for miles. So I'm going to sit and have a spot of lunch, I think. Now there are some sheep in this field. I did suspect there would be. They're on this side. So I'll not fly my drone from this spot. I'll maybe go a bit further down the footpath, so out of the way. Now I'm not disturbing anyone. It's just the road down there. No sheep around, so we'll head down there. So I'm not disturbing the peace and quiet. So I'm sat here having my lunch. Anyway, and this farmer rocks up. Look, he's out there spreading muck on that field, and I was going to go down to the edge of this field here, away from this these cables here, and have a fly of the drone. So I think I might have to change my plans there. Now Mr. Farmer's rocked up. So what I'll have to do, I think I'm going to go back the way I came, because I came over that way, and that is open access land. So I'm going to pop back over that way, and I'll fly the drone over there. I just thought it would be nice to pop up to the beacon. Yeah. Now that really smells as well. It's just as well I've just finished my lunch because that stinks. So thanks for that. The joys of the countryside. Right, I think I've found a spot. This is open access, this, and there's a few sheep over there and right over there in that field, but hopefully I won't disturb them if I just stay on this little spot here. Nobody around, it's just a little corner of nowhere, so let's give it a go, shall we? So here's the mini beast itself. I've just had a couple of people that just walked by the footpath over there, wondered what I was doing. They saw me crouched down, must have thought there was something wrong with me, and asked me if I was alright. So I'm just waiting for those to disappear, and then we'll send her up. So this is a DJI Mini Pro 5. Yeah, I am not an expert on drones, but apparently it's very good. I've tried it out already. Yeah, it is pretty nice, so I'm just kind of getting the hang of it really and having a play with it. So there you go, folks, maiden voyage for the channel. And that was a perfect landing as well. It was amazing. So yeah, I bought this because I tried it on my sit mat, which is probably why I don't have it today. Actually, tried it on my sit mat, and it just sort of bounced and flopped off and did a somersault. So yeah, I hastily bought this little landing pad. So yeah, just a little quick demo, and I cannot wait to use it more when I'm out hiking. It's really lightweight, stows away in the pack really well. Yeah, it's brilliant. So I'm loving it. So new toy, I am so happy about it. Thanks to my partner. He's the main sponsor of this channel. So there you go, folks. What do you think to that? It's not bad, is it? It's not bad. A very fancy piece of equipment. I'm getting used to flying it, so it's a bit of a learning curve. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my way back towards Richmond now. It's getting a bit later now, so probably won't be too long before that sun sets over there. Short days and all that. But it's been a bloody gorgeous day. Absolutely fabulous. Yeah, I didn't want to fly it too far. There's just a few too many farms around. This strip of open access land here is not very wide, so I don't want to disturb any sheep. Bless them. I like sheep, and I don't want to upset them. So yeah, just a little. Just wanted to show you, really. Just wanted to show off, you know. Just wanted to show off. But they are addictive. I can tell you that. They're definitely addictive. Yeah, so much fun. I'm looking forward to using it around the Dales. And I've got a week booked in the Lake District. Well, actually I've got 2 weeks booked in the Lake District during the spring. So I cannot wait to get out, hike some more Wainwrights, and also get the drone flying up there as well. See if we can get some nice shots. So yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's all looking good for the channel this year. Things are looking good. So yeah, stick with it. I might make a decent video this year, you never know. Right, now I'm just gonna make my way back down the hill off the moor, and back towards Richmond. Well, that's it, folks. I'm just heading back into Richmond now. So yeah, it's just a little wander around. Been quite nice. Just enjoyed the day. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.